Welcome to our channel. If you're receiving frequent Bluetooth visibility notifications while using the H&R Block app, follow these steps to disable them and enjoy a more streamlined experience. Step 1. Open the H&R Block app on your mobile device and log in with your account credentials if prompted. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner, to access the app's main navigation options. Step 3. Select Settings or Preferences from the menu to view your account and app configuration options. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Notifications or Privacy section within the Settings menu. Step 5. Look for Bluetooth-related settings or permissions, which may be listed under Connectivity or Device Permissions. Step 6. Toggle off the Bluetooth visibility notifications or disable Bluetooth permissions entirely if you don't need this feature for the app. Step 7. Confirm your changes by tapping Save or Apply if prompted to ensure your new settings are stored. Step 8. Exit the app and reopen it to verify that the Bluetooth visibility notifications are no longer appearing on your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.